Welcome back to Sports Extra. Time now for our Blizzard Report. Joining us in studio, head coach Corey Roberson. How you doing, man?
I'm holding up, baby. I'm holding up.
I know. The weather's cold outside, and literally we have a blizzard around the state of Wisconsin today. On your season opener, this isn't the first time you guys have had bad luck with snow.
No, and I'm sure that's what affected attendance, and but we still got to play.
That said, it looked like a decent crowd for as nasty as the weather was. We obviously know the huge pileup down on 41. There were cars in the ditch all day. And for those in the local Green Bay area who did come out and support you guys, that was pretty cool, to say the least, in the season opener.
Absolutely, and we appreciate them for that.
All right, let's talk a little bit about the game before we get to the highlights. You had a couple weeks of training camp. You came on last week. We talked about what you thought might be the areas you'd need to work on and where you'd get big contributions. What surprised you the most about today, and what disappointed you the most?
Surprise was quarterback play. We knew we had a QB1 and QB 1A and 1B.
Yep.
We clearly have the 1B is now our clear-cut QB1.
Okay.
So that was, not so much of a disappointment, but he stepped up to the occasion. He rose to the challenge. I think the disappointing part was we didn't finish. We didn't play all 4 quarters as a collective group, as a team, and then special teams as well. We struggled in that area.
Yeah, tale of two halves, that's for sure when you looked at it. And you'll be able to go now with one guy when you're trying to split reps and practice at QB. Sometimes when coaches say you don't have one, or you only have 2, you don't have one.
Right.
Now you kind of maybe go in one direction, and we'll see how things play out. All right. Good start for your defense, though. Put in a tough spot. B.J. Hill tried to make a play early on. Ball gets kicked up in the air. They return it deep into your territory. But that was a heck of a goal line stand. And how about Marquez Goldman? I mean, big stick and hold it up and rip that ball right out of there.
Yeah, no, Marquez is a gamer. He was a question mark for us going in today. He was banged up throughout the week.
You heard his name quite a bit, and you said gamer, and I think we'll see a lot of that in the future. So Arizona's defense puts up the first points of the game. Sack for the safety. You make the switch at QB. Then Lenoris Footman that's a heck of a run by their guy.
Yeah.
Well, by their guy getting in. And then Lenoris comes in at quarterback, and he finds your boy Keyslow Smith with a diving touchdown.
Yeah, that's going to be a nice connection this year. I can see this becoming a fantastic duo.
Great name, too, Keyslow. Later, Footman looking deep for the veteran, B.J. Hill, who breaks free, hauling it in. We got a 2-point ball game.
Yeah. The guys, like I said, we came out with great energy in the first half. First half was great.
Yeah, Arizona threatening. Up 9 in the second, looking for more, but look at Goldman back of the end zone right before halftime, making the play. He says, I'm going to take it out of here. Gave your guys a chance in the final segments, and what an ending to the first half. This really could have changed things. You end up chucking it deep down the sidelines, and B.J. Hill makes the catch, and he's knocked out at the 1, so they say. Well, he kind of was.
Yeah, he kind of was. We talked about this with the referees, and we didn't know if he was touched. They gave it a second look. They couldn't see anything from the instant replay because by rule they have to go and review to make sure that they got the call correct under 1 minute. But the technology is what it is.
Well, and it was a very competitive first half, to say the least. You really didn't. Sometimes you can tell when you're getting your butt kicked out there. That one could have gone either way. Do you like the fact that the referees have their little iPads and they're actually looking at the replays right out there? Good, bad, or is it,
No, it's good.
It's one call, I get it. And it did look like he kind of got knocked out right before the goal line.
Right, no, it's good. We only could do so much with the technology that we have. To be able to have instant replay at this level in this league is huge because we are human.
Right.
We don't always get it right. So, we don't have the technology like other areas, other arenas to, they have a live feed or whatnot that they could go to a booth or a box.
Yep.
They have to use our iPads.
I look pretty good on YouTube, though, I can tell you that.
Yeah.
I thought it looked good back here anyway for a while. All right, heading to the second half. Still a close game. Arizona, though, they get the football to start the second half. They, too, make a switch under center. What do you think about this guy, Verlin Reed Jr.?
Yeah, he's a gamer. He's a good athlete. I assumed he was going to be the starter coming in, but they had different a different opinion about that. But he came in and he kept them alive. He made some plays.
Made some plays with his feet there. Then they continue to pound the rock. Jabari Lally muscle his ways in for a 5-yard score. All of a sudden we get a 23-point game, but your guys come back. How about that? Footman to Smith keeps the Blizzard in, keep you in contention at least.
Yeah, they kept us. They kept some hope alive for us. I think you're gonna see we didn't finish.
That's the guy we talked about, Goldman there. Great falling down backward INT at the end zone to stop the drive.
Yeah, he's the gamer. You know, we said it. He's a gamer.
They got some players too. They make the pick late, and then they just sort of run away with it toward the end there in the fourth quarter. 51-21 was the final. Not the way you wanted to start out the season, but you have another game to prove yourself coming up. Very short turnaround here in 5 days.
Yeah, short turnaround. The key is, like we talked about before, is getting some rest. But we got to get at it. You know, we right at it first thing in the morning.
Well, you mentioned it too. Schedule looks like this. Friday night back at the Resch Center, you're going to face a pretty tough Nebraska team. Then you've got 3 games on the road at Iowa, San Diego, and Quad Cities, and then obviously a quick rematch there with the Steam Wheelers, and a bye week in between Iowa and San Diego, which will be nice. What do you need to accomplish with a Friday night game? So I assume you'd go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday get off your feet a little bit, maybe walk through?
Yeah, well, we'll go Monday, Tuesday, off Wednesday, if I recall correctly, and then back again for a walkthrough on Thursday. I don't know this guy.
Yeah, well, you get to figure it out on a short week. It's tough.
Well, yeah.
You got to see whose bodies and who's hurt and who's banged up, and these guys aren't used to playing either.
Yeah.
So that first game, you're going to be way more sore and have bumps and bruises than you would halfway through the season.
Right, yeah, it was a physical game. You know, tip my hat to Arizona. They came out, they were well coached, and the guys were disciplined enough to make the plays.
You had to pick a couple guys who specifically you thought, all right, I like what I saw out of him. Can you name them?
Besides our quarterback and the defensive back, Muhan, our defensive lineman, number 92, he has a motor. That's something that you can't teach. That motor don't stop. Truett Box kind of did some great things for us. We asked them to play on both sides of the ball. You know, we had to stop their blitz, and we did everything we wanted to do, right? We slowed down their rush, their defensive line, but somehow, somewhere in the second half, we didn't finish the plays. When I look at the stat line and everything like that, you know, I'm trying to see what's the theory. What is it telling us? Where did the game, you know, without watching film, where did we lose this ball game at? 43 plays apiece. They only outgained us by 60 yards, and the only thing I could look at is they finished. They didn't.
Finished drives. All right. Friday night, Resch Center against Nebraska. Head coach Corey Roberson of the Blizzard. Appreciate you stopping by.
All right, thank you.
Good luck Friday night. We'll be here next week, Sunday.